I welcome all of you on platform of URPD Education. You know, one question is normally asked to you in your interview. Where do you see yourself after 5 years, 10 years, something like that? I will present to you a small vision for all of you. Say, start looking at you after 20 years of your graduation. Where do you see yourself after 20 years of graduation? So I keep on interacting with the people, and when I interact with such people, I see their profile, biodata. Some are really impressive, and all of us can target something like that. So today I'm going to share with you the biodata of Shrikar Wuli. Is a his video I have already uploaded, I think couple of days back. The person he uh, did his masters along with me only. I mean IIT Delhi. He was my batchmate there, and then he did his job in TCS and then explored opportunities forward. And presently he's in Denmark. So you must have heard his interaction. I want to give you a small vision here for you, 20 years down the line, and how it should be chalked out, how it should be done. So he mentioned it, his journey till graduation. It was ordinary, he did his diploma, and after diploma he did his graduation from ordinary college in Andhra Pradesh near Vijayawada. And he got the click, or his imagination got fired when he joined master's course in IIT Delhi. And 2001 he completed his masters from IIT Delhi. After that he did 2 years of job in Tata Consultancy. That was a basically IT company, and though he was masters in design, could not use much of his knowledge, so decided to go forward and did his PhD from UK within this in 3 years in his domain of interest for him. After that, he started working as a research associate in UK only. After that, postdoctorate fellowship he got in Denmark. After that, I think he got a job in a company, Denmark, did his job for a couple of years, got promotion, got another job, got promotion, got another job, and presently working in that particular area, which is his domain of interest. I mean, design. So presently, if you read this, what domain is working into, that is working into wind power wind energy domain, a renewable energy source, and doing marvelously good. Just go the job satisfaction and something which you do, and that gives you at the end job satisfaction at very senior level in that company in Denmark, and जिसको बोलते हैं quite well settled. So this is what should be the biodata which we should reflect for ourselves. So all of us can identify with this kind of journey. I'm not saying that this is the only way for technocrats. Technocrats have many options, many ways, but this is one of the ways in which you can pursue interest in your own domain of interest. I'll keep sharing with you such more biodatas to get motivated and inspired. And you can always contact technocrats like Shrikar and seek guidance from them. So I hope it has helped you and given you some kind of inspiration and motivation to pursue your career and to see yourself after 5 years, after 10 years, after 20 years in your journey. All the best.